Guess this is gonna be my first upload. Just picked up 2018 4Runner, salvage title. It was actually stripped, and so I got it for a pretty good price on Copart. They just took the seats, they ripped out the dash. I still have the radio. All this stuff's torn apart right now because I'm currently working on getting a new glove box. Gonna wrap some interior trims because it was scratched up, and then I just need to repair some wires because they were ripped out, of course. But yeah, so this is currently waiting for a lot of parts. We got a glove box door coming. We got front seats. I'm still looking for back seats. Just parts everywhere from tearing all this apart. But yeah, pop the hood and show you guys. I got it from Copart with 61 miles. Currently at 62 miles from moving it around and driving around the block with a bucket. But here's the engine bay, pretty clean, brand new pretty much. The underside's still pretty fresh as well. The only problem is these the back of the brake dust. The brake dusts, I'm not sure what they're called. I think they're brake dust covers or something. Because the car was stripped, they took the wheels and tires off. It was put directly on that part right there, and so it was wedged up in with the rotor, so I had to pull it apart. It's pretty thin sheet metal, so it was pretty easy, but it was just making a noise while driving. But other than that, I mean, everything looks good. Got new wheels and tires at a Toyota dealership after it was stolen, so these pretty much have brand new tires on them. Although the old ones only had 61 miles. Everything on this is pretty good. The only imperfections on the body are the doors. We got a dent right here that's pretty visible. I'm gonna try to get that taken out. And then there's also a few other scratches and dents on that panel right there. Just filming off an iPhone right now. But yeah, here's the interior. All these panel pieces are here, just need to put them back in. But this was probably one of the only things that was broken back here. I don't know what happened, but it should look like that. But I'm really lucky. I bid once on this car and won it. I was really surprised because I thought it was going to go up. I won the auction at $11,500, so pretty excited. Cost about $500 to get it shipped from Oregon to where I'm at in Tahoe, California. So not a bad price. Currently waiting on seats that are coming from Texas. Got some other pieces. I want to get a new trim for here. You can see that there's a little gouge in the leather. It's not a big deal, but just want to make it look nice. Also, the window was smashed. I didn't know that until it got here, but that was just causing all this dust to build up and stuff. So that needs to get cleaned, but wait for the window to come first. Got a window coming from Oregon, I believe, also. This company called LKQ or something. They have places all over, and they are able to ship you parts, and I got a pretty good deal, so I couldn't complain. But yeah, that's the new 4Runner. It's got registered too. Still need to get the smog and lamp certification. Then it should be on the road. And then get rid of my old car. If anybody wants to buy it, it's for sale. Won't pass California smog, FYI.